Fro babe, fro babe, fro babe.
You know what it
Fro
is.
babe, fro babe, hey, fro babe. I'ma make it my duty to embrace my natural beauty. What's up?
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually not going to be doing a hair video. We are going to be doing a cooking video, so just stick with me. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and just stay tuned. So the first thing you're gonna need is Ricer's macaroni and cheese, and you can get this from Jewel as well as the steak patties. And they're super cheap. The steak patties I think were only like $8. And you'll just need a little bit of A1 sauce as well. So I'm just going to break these patties, and I am going to take my olive oil, just about 3 tablespoons, and put it in the pan and just kind of swirl it around so it coats the whole bottom of the pan, and put the steak patties in there and let them cook like that. So I'm going to set my oven to 350 and put the mac and cheese in the oven and let it cook for about 22 minutes. And while that's baking, I'm just going to continue to flip the patties and make sure those are getting done thoroughly. And I'm just going to take a little bit of A1 sauce and pour it on both of the patties and let that simmer and soak into the steak. And then you'll also need some organic mix salad, and this you can actually get from Target. And then as you can see, I'm still cooking the steak. And now that's done, I'm putting it directly on the bun along with the cheese and mustard and tomato. And honestly, you guys, this is so easy. So if you're looking for just a simple dinner during the summertime that's not a whole lot of calories, then this is definitely a go-to. And then also you want to make sure that you rinse off the salad. You want to do this with anything that's packaged just to be extra thorough. And I am giving myself quite a bit of mac and cheese because I love mac and cheese. And that's basically it, you guys. A really easy, delicious dinner. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this little quick summer dinner video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and all that stuff, and I will see you all next Friday at 5 o'clock. As always, peace and love. Bye guys.